Yo, 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 what is up, man, babies? Stop playing videos.
Wait, remember this?
Hmm?
You don't like yellow car?
No, I hate yellow car.
Okay, it's fine. I'll go to a random point in this video.
No, okay.
You can't stay here! What? Why? Listen! What will happen? 50! Okay, let me... You can't stay here! What? Why? Listen! What will happen to my dental plan? Exactly.
Andy, turn that off. Dang. Andy, turn it off. If you don't turn it off, you're gay.
I turned it off.
If you turn it back on, you're gay. I knew it. You are doing bad things. Wait, who is that saying that?
Alright.
I just watched the game.
GTA San Andreas. Wait,
Andy, this is you.
no, that's you. You have a big mustache.
Come on.
I got shaved and now my hair is itchy.
Oh, what? Ver, I'm recording a video. You don't have to. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
No! Don't close my laptop.
That's not gonna go any faster. If you do that, your mouse is gonna break. Actually.
I don't even have strong feelings for this mouse.
I mean, if you think about it, you have a mouse. So that's something.
I can use the mouse pad.
Yeah, but how you say mouse is better for gaming? You think a mouse is better for gaming? Like, I should know.
Yeah, I can go buy another one. There's one at Pop Shelf.
Actually, I think I have one. I could give it to you.
Give me. Where is it?
I think it's right there. Like, you see that fuzzy cable?
Which one? This one?
I don't know. No, I need to find it because you're gonna probably make it messy.
Messy.
Here, let me get it. Let me
Get it.
Let me see. I think it's this one.
Is that one?
Yeah, but the cable's kind of messed up, but it still works.
Ooh, god damn.
Use it and tell me if you like it.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna plug in this one. No, I really like it. Here, let me disconnect. Okay. It's a Logitech. Play the game.
I am when you play the game.
No, you're gonna spawn a nest bot, and I'm not ready yet. Cool. So what? You just gave me this mod?
See if it works.
Yeah, it works.
You press the middle button. No, the middle one.
This one?
Yeah, just roll the mouse.
No, don't spawn a next bot.
Okay, you spawn it.
Okay. Let me, what? Huh? Well, I guess I'm gay.
Okay, so.
I don't care no more. Here, no, I don't want to.
Yeah, spawn it, though.
I want to spawn my favorite singer.
Spawn McDonald's.
Hey, I love your dangerous album. I mean, your thriller album.
Press E.
Alright, come on here.
Press E.
Here, let me do something. I'm gonna send you far into the sky. Oh! Where the heck did you go? Wait, where is he?
He's right there.
Oh, I thought he would die. Okay, Michaels, I need you to protect me from Casoh.
Oh, you have to spawn McDonald's first.
Alfredo.
No, you killed Michael!
Oh, I know where you can hide.
See, Casoh ate Michael Jackson!
I know where you can
That's
hide.
why he died. It wasn't a drug
Alfredo.
overdose. It was Casoh.
Shrimp
Casoh, no.
Alfredo.
Killed my someone who was better than Taylor Swift. Now we're stuck with Taylor Swift.
Shrimp
Be
Alfredo.
quiet, Casoh. You just killed someone who
Shrimp
was
Alfredo.
better than Taylor Swift. I mean Taylor Swift.
Here, let me show you where to go.
Where?
Just follow my lead.
Okay, where did I go?
Go near the house. Not that one, the other house.
No.
You have to go near the
Casoh.
bridge.
Where's Casoh? The bridge? Where's the
Yeah, where
bridge?
do you see the bridge?
Where?
Right there.
Shrimp
No,
Alfredo.
move.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Go to the bridge. Here, let me help you.
God!
I'm gonna help you. Let me help you. I forgot you crouch.
Shrimp Alfredo. Freda.
How do you crouch?
Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp
I forgot how to
Alfredo.
crouch. I've been playing since so long.
Oh, I can't grab Casoh. No, I
Shrimp
can't grab Casoh.
Alfredo.
Let me show you where to
Maybe
go.
if we go into water.
No, but he knows how to swim. That's too heavy.
No, he's not safe. And then he can't move.
No, but next spots know how to move. The water. Watch how you.
Shrimp Alfredo.
He tried to eat me.
Shrimp Alfredo.
See, he's so hungry, he's already trying to chew me.
Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo.
I know where to go. I know where to go. Show me. Just trust me.
Andy, just so y'all know, Andy looks like Vector.
No. I don't even know who I am.
Yeah, but he killed Michael Jackson. Look, he's right there. Thank you, Michael Jackson. What the?
Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo.
Even fit.
Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo.
You said I was gonna be safe.
Well, I think.
You fat liar.
I mean, he's a fat one.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Okay, let's see.
We don't even know what he looks like.
We'll
Like,
just
I'm not
hide
even-
again.
Like Casoh is not even that fat, but then again, I don't even
But
know.
he took over the whole thing.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Here, you
He spawn killed me. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Here, we need to get a car.
Shrimp
Not
Alfredo.
Hold up,
Shrimp
Casoh.
Alfredo.
if you jump real fast.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Wait,
Shut up,
I know who to spawn. Spawn McDonald's.
McDonald's. Where?
Right there.
Oh, McDonald's. Hey, Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald! Come here. Hey, Ronald. I need you to take care of...
Shrimp
Hey,
Alfredo.
no! I need you to take care of this guy!
Shrimp
Go eat him.
I mean, he took care of him. He did his thing.
Behind
Guess
you.
I'll be...
Behind you.
Where?
Right there.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Guying at Casoh.
Oh, I know. How about we spawn another one? Maybe they can fight with each other.
Shrimp
Oh,
Alfredo.
they're gonna team up!
Maybe.
Here, spawn friend. He's just killing all the Ronald McDonald's.
He's underwater.
How do I cut?
No, push control.
Where is it?
Right there.
Where?
Just go in.
There.
Spawn.
Okay. You shouldn't be here. Okay. I need to spawn another Michael Jackson. Michael! You're alive.
He gotta die.
Huh?
He's gotta die.
No! Wait, where's the white Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson. I kind of wish you were still here with us today.
Uh-oh. I think I hear him.
this accurate?
Oh, sure I know.
Or is this? I don't even know.
I thought I heard him.
He's looking over there. I think he's over there. Michael. I mean, Casoh. Oh, they both end with O. Oh wait, no.
No, I'm not. Oh, maybe if you go up, you'll see him.
Why? What?
Maybe if you go up, you'll see him. No, in the ladder. Maybe he's gone.
What was that?
Maybe he's gone.
What kind of voice acting is that? What? Are you trying to impersonate him?
No, I'm saying he's
No.
gone.
No, you said no, I'm not. Like sometime.
You have to understand the
Are
right.
you trying to act like him?
No, I'm trying to say. Just check outside, bro.
I already did.
No, but check the water. Maybe he drowned.
I can't go.
You can. Press V.
No, were you? I'm just asking Andy. Like, whenever you
Okay,
did a high
go, walk.
walk, okay. You did a high pitched voice. Wait, am I safe?
Just a check.
Shrimp Alfredo.
No, get back in!
He just got confused.
No, I got Michael Jackson on my. How do I get it? How do I go back now?
Well, what button did I press?
I don't know.
V.
Get over there in the light.
That's the wrong gun. It's a crowbar.
Hold up, man. I'm trying to get there. Get into the light.
Maybe if you press Z.
Michael! You made Michael disappear!
Oh, okay, that's fine. And then let's
I like that guy. No, not the hostile one.
No, that's not who I'm gonna spawn.
No, I don't want you to spawn the hostile Michael Jackson.
Okay, let me spawn anything else. I promise it won't be anything bad.
Do not spawn. No! 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 You turn off. Thanks for the hug, man.
Yeah, and then
Stop! No! 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 Don't worry. I don't want to spawn you in the next spot. Oh, you didn't spawn it in here?
well,
Wait, how do I go back?
let me show you something. But you gotta spawn something first.
Stop! I don't want to spawn an Xbox.
I
just want to spawn Michael Jackson.
Yeah, Michael Jackson's right here.
That's not Michael Jackson. That's
Oh, I know who to spawn.
That's Nick Ricardo Avocado impersonator.
No, at least he's better than him. Like, you don't see him say, "Why am I so fat?" Close your eyes.
No.
It's more secret. If you don't let me. That was your fault, not. Look, I just.
No!
Whoa, let me show you.
Stop! I don't want to spawn the next spot.
I'm not gonna spawn the next one. I'm gonna spawn out McDonald's.
Okay. Well, let me do it.
Okay.
No more.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Stupid fat bearded man.
Shrimp
Morbidly
Alfredo.
obese, pushing 50 years old.
Shrimp Alfredo.
No, I'm just
Shrimp out, shrimp
restart
out,
the
shrimp
game.
out, shrimp 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 out.
Oh no! I accidentally unloaded the game. I accidentally. Wait, are we still recording? Hello? Yeah, okay. No, don't end it. No. I just wanna. Yeah, that's right. I'll punch you in the face.
You didn't even do that.
Yeah, Andy, can I keep this mouse?
No.
What do you mean?
I mean, you could, but I don't know. You have to ask Alex.
How to mod a PSP go in 60 seconds.
Okay, for your birthday, I could get you a PSP.
I don't want a PSP. Because PSPs are P. Yeah, this mouse is kind of trash. This one's actually more.
Which one?
This one's better. I like this one.
I poop on it.
No,
You heard that?
no, I'm not.
They're appetizing. Okay, if you give it back, if you don't give it back, you're gay.
It's broken.
Okay, that's it. You asked for
Oh,
it.
you're hurting my shoulders.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's go back to the. Let's go back to the.
not accepted.
You're gay.
I'm not gay. I'm straight as a bait, as a
Bait. Clickbait.
I meant this. Yeah, you are clickbait.
No, you
Your
are.
your videos are clickbait. You said you know that hat video you created in 2018? Yeah, you said you made a part 2 video, but then you said just kidding, it's never coming out.
That's not even clickbait.
Yes, it
Clickbait is to trick you into clicking the video.
That's what you're doing.
No.
Where's the mouse? Where's the
Kayla
mouse?
was here. She was.
What would she say?
She was say. She say. She was.
If it's broken, now I need this mouse. This new mouse that I'm using right here. I just broke one of my glittery one. No. It's not funny. I liked it.
Your mom was gonna.
No! My mouse!
It's not broken even.
Okay, it still
Yeah,
works.
yeah, broken even. My favorite words.
Stop! Stop clicking the stuff! I don't want to spawn an Xbox. I just want to do some stuff!
I'm gonna spawn a McDonald's, not the next one.
You're on everything, you're gonna spawn on Xbox.
Okay, if I do, then then I need to make an apology video.
Okay, let me just play the game in peace, okay?
What is there even to do? Like, it's better to play it online. Even though I don't play it online. In fact, I don't even play this game that much anymore.
Why? It's fun.
What's there be to do?
Yes, there is. You can spawn Michael Jackson.
Well, I
You can
don't
hang
spawn-
out with the King of Pop.
Wait, it doesn't do anything.
Okay. What does he do?
So basically, what he does is he goes to NPCs. He puts and he goes to so basically what he does is he spawns that. I forgot. He goes to the NPC. Oh, I have a good idea. How about you try to drive away from Casoh?
Okay, but I have to spawn Casoh.
Well, do it. No, he's not gonna do anything. And if you go, I mean, he's gonna do something. What do you think? I mean, you have to get in the car first. You're so mad. Well,
Okay,
spawn
okay.
all-
Okay, that's for Casoh! No!
You gotta run.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Get in the car! Michael, get in the car! He's just...
Shrimp.
Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car!
Shrimp Alfredo.
He flipped it over! There, come here! Okay?
I think
No.
I think you whipped it.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so not yet.
He's stuck.
I can hear him saying he's afraid.
Maybe that's the reason why. Maybe he spawns.
You know what? No, we don't need this. What the heck just... Okay, we need a car. So, let's just go over there.
Shrimp Alfredo.
I think he glitched the car. Like I try to get into the car again. I think that the car.
He detected when I got the
Shrimp
car.
Alfredo.
Nah,
He
he
was stuck in the car until you messed it up.
Oh yeah! How do I go in third person?
First control.
Oh, it went inside. Okay. He went inside.
First control. Oh, how about you fly?
He's coming!
Fly.
He's coming!
I know.
Yo, look at Vector.
I know what to do. Press V press V and then go. And
V as in V.
go. Just take my word for granted.
Shrimp Alfredo.
You'll never catch me, Casoh.
Go on the building.
Casoh. That's it. Top. I love this game. Why are you laughing? Are you gonna spawn the next spot up here?
No.
He doesn't even say anything. Whenever he dies, he sounds like someone else. Michael, come here. No, no. He better not have. Did he eat Michael Jackson? Oh, this is a perfect thumbnail. How do I take a screenshot? Huh? How do I take a screenshot? What did you just... Why you exit the game? All of my Michael Jacksons! Yes! All of my Michael Jacksons. We have a Casoh on the loose. Oh look! There's a secret room under here! Wait, I gotta bring all my Michael Jacksons! Ah, but it's gonna take too long. Here, I take you. I have to choose